Hey guys, welcome and thank you for checking out this course on Google Spreadsheets. This course is for anyone interested in improving their skills with Google Spreadsheets and for those who want to use spreadsheets the way you currently can use Microsoft Excel. By the end of this course, you'll be a Google Spreadsheets master. You'll know how to do conditional formatting, sorting, use filter views, and you'll understand every kind of function that you could possibly use in spreadsheets. We're also going to cover how to use charts, graphs, lookups, and pivot tables, and go over different functions that you can only do with Google Spreadsheets. Things like import HTML, import XML, using Google add-ons, and writing our own scripts and macros. All of these are things that are unique to the Google Spreadsheets tool and that you just can't do with Excel. Google Spreadsheets is actually rapidly replacing Excel as the go-to spreadsheet tool for companies all over the world, thanks mostly in part to their cool features like sharing, revision history, add-ons, and web-based scripts and functionality. By taking this course, you'll become proficient with Google Spreadsheets, become more productive at work, and hopefully get a raise. So without further ado, let's dive in and get started.